everybody, Denny here. Well, doggone it, better late than never. Things just kind of balled up. We had some stuff to get done. But let's head on over to easel and work on that mid-ground some more. I'll meet you there. And here we go, and I apologize again for being late today, but you know, the larder was a little shy on food, so I figured I'd better go to the store. Okay, we're going to put some closer tree trunks in today, okay? But what we're doing is we're just going a ways with a line, and then we're going to stop and then pull in another one and make that one look a little bit better. This is all just fun stuff because we got a tree that's going to go in there and it's going to be just fine. But that's not today. That'll be another time. And Mr. Scrappy would not be denied in here. So there he is in all of his scrappiness. Now let's put a little bit more foliage in here. And we know it goes in dark, but we know that it's going to dry lighter. And that's exactly what we're hoping for. We know it's going to happen, and so we plan for it, okay? And all that's doing is this just creating layer after layer after layer that's getting closer to us. And that's exactly the effect that we want. These pictures take time, okay? This isn't quickie art. This takes a little bit of time, but actually, I think it's well worth the time. Okay. Now for our walkway here, we're just going to scrape some brown in here. Now we're just going to take a wet brush, and we're just going to go after it with a wet brush like this, and we're just going to let it essentially paint itself. And as you can see, we're getting closer now to where we want to be, so we can put the big tree in, and that's coming tomorrow, okay? So be with me tomorrow. Like, subscribe, follow, leave comments, let your friends know about us, share, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. Now tomorrow, we're going to start working on the big tree, okay? Until then, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.